Samsung is gearing up to launch its latest generation of Galaxy Z series of foldable smartphones soon. But prior to an official announcement, we have already covered various rumors and reports regarding the Galaxy Z Fold and Flip 5 models. And now the latest leak has revealed some of its specifications and even its improvements in design. According to a new leak, the South Korean tech giant's flagship will feature various improvements over its predecessor. The information was shared by Gadgets Data on Twitter. He stated that the device will feature a new droplet hinge mechanism. This new and improved folding design will ensure that there are no gaps when the device is folded, unlike its predecessor that had slight gaps. Furthermore, the leak states that the upcoming foldable phone will sport a tall 7.6-inch for the primary inner display and a 6.2-inch outer cover screen. Both displays are AMOLED panels that support 120 Hz refresh rate, which is in line with our previous report. Under the hood, the device will be equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC. The leak also adds that the rear will feature a triple camera setup that consists of a 50-megapixel primary sensor with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and 10-megapixel periscope lens that supports 3x optical zoom and optical image stabilizations. Meanwhile, the front is believed to be a 12-megapixel selfie camera. Other notable features include the device will support Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and IPX8 rating for added protection. The device will likely run on Android 13-based One UI out of the box. Lastly, it will support 25 watts fast charging and even include an under-display camera for selfies. Even if the Galaxy Fold 5 has no or not enough fancy upgrades or features, the usual year-on-year spec upgrades it will get should make it a compelling device. The most interesting spec bump would be to the processor. The device will be powered by Qualcomm's Samsung-exclusive Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chipset, which will likely bring noticeable performance and power efficiency enhancements over previous Z Fold models. As for returning features, S Pen support and IPX8 water resistance deserve a mention, as they elevate Samsung's foldable phones above what the competition is offering, even if they can't match some of the competing devices spec to spec. So how do you like these new upgrades of upcoming foldable from Samsung? Let us know your thoughts below in the comment section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.